Hello students, the new topic is animal kingdom. In different types of animal found on environment or earth, some invertebrate and some vertebrates. First question appeared here, what is an animal? The kingdom Animalia divided into two major groups, invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates, and invertebrate is an animal without a backbone. About 98% of animals are invertebrates. Invertebrates organisms, boneless organisms, and body divided into head, thorax and abdomen. And in case of vertebrate, only about 2% of all animals are vertebrates, which belongs to the phylum Chordata. Means invertebrates belonging non-chordate and vertebrates phylum belonging Chordata. Vertebrates include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Animals share the following characteristics. Animals are multicellular and have eukaryotic cells. Animal cells lack cell wall because animal cell, the outer layer of cell is cell membrane formed by the cell membrane. Animals have a period of embryonic development. Embryonic development means different types of organism on the basis of embryonic development: oviparous, viviparous and ovoviviparous. And the oviparous means egg laying organisms like bird and amphibians, fishes, and the viviparous like human beings and mammals, including mammals, and ovoviviparous like a rattlesnake and some examples of a snake, because the placenta support for nutrition and the young ones produce. And the animal are consumers, producer, consumer and first consumer like producers means all green plants, including the ecological pyramid, first step. And second step, consumers, first consumers like a herbivorous, second consumer like a carnivorous, and third consumer like a omnivorous organisms. In omnivorous organisms like a cockroach. And the animals can move one place to another place, and most animals have muscles and nervous tissues. And animals are diploid, means whole body. Diploid cells form like a 46 number of chromosomes present. Animals have different labels of organization. On the basis of organization label, organisms divided into two parts like first cell cell organization label and second tissue organization label. And in cell organization label like a poriferans, and the tissue organization label means advanced organisms like coelenterate to mammals. And some animals consist of cells with a few tissue layers. Others are complex and organ system. Organ system means the organization label start firstly atom converted into molecules converted into cells, and cell converted into tissue, and tissue converted into organ, organ converted into organ system, and organ system converted into organisms, and organisms further uh, means type of organism like for survival, same species is known as population, and the population converted into community, and community converted into ecosystem, and ecosystem converted into biosphere. At last, in organization level, it consists of 12 steps, and the all animals have sex cells, and all and that are haploid and are produced by meiosis. Means in meiosis means sexual cells are reproductive cells. The one mother cell containing meiocyte cells, it's commonly known as meiocyte cells, means leading cells of the meiosis. It's diploid in nature, then converted into haploid in condition. In at last, one mother cell converted into 4 daughter cells in meiosis, and in mitosis, one mother cell converted into 2 daughter cells, and both are diploid. Means in meiosis, body cells participated in meiosis, and all cells are diploid. But in case of meiosis, means all cells are first leading cells are diploid, and other cells are haploid. And all animals life cycle consists of haploid and diploid cell development. Animal body, plane and symmetry. The arrangement of an animal body parts is called its symmetry. Animals that do have an orderly body plane like sponges are called asymmetrical body, means irregular in numbers. Arms of the starfish 5 arms, and the odd in numbers कह सकते हैं. It's in case of protozoans, amoeba, both type of organisms asymmetrical, means no fixed plane x-axis and y-axis. And the other case, radial symmetry, means that the body parts are arranged in a circle around the central point. Radial symmetry occurs in coelentrates like a hydra, means it's cut the cross section. And the bilateral symmetry, the body consists of 2 similar halves longitudinally or horizontally. It's a equal division. In case of fishes and the rat are human body, and the gut is the digestive tract that enables an animal to digest food outside of its cells. The digestive tract means acellular and non-cellular. The digestive tract, it enables an animals to digest food outside of its cells. In animals without a gut like sponges, food is digested inside of their cells. No any type of digestive tract found in sponges. Means sponges are a porous organisms. The water current insert any pores, insert inside in current, and outlet outside the osculum, or any porous structure are in and outside of the whole body parts, the very flexible and floating in downstream. Complex animals also have a body cavity that holds the gut and other organs. The body cavity provided an open space for organs to grow and functions. The body cavity means uh, alimentary canal, like a starting and ending point. Both points, uh, mouth and anus, are present in advanced organisms or animals. Organ system, and animals evolved and became more complex. They developed organ system to perform basic functions. Some important organ systems are skeletal, muscular, circulatory, digestive, nervous and reproductive systems. Means organ in case of digestive system, organ means only stomach, liver and other parts, but whole parts are attached and conduct one function like a digestive system. It's organ system एक तरह के होल फंक्शन को कंप्लीट करता है, तो उसको डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कहते हैं. कोई भी सिस्टम, स्केलेटन हो या मस्कुलर हो या सर्कुलेटरी हो, मीन्स पूरी बॉडी उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो जाती है, वो पूरे ट्रैक इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं. स्पंजेस बिलोंग टू द फाइलम पोरीफेरा, पोर बियरिंग. दे आर एसिमेट्रिकल एंड डू नॉट हैव बॉडी कैविटी. अभी हमने बताया. एडल्ट स्पंजेस डू नॉट मूव अराउंड. दे फीड by pulling water into the pores of their bodies and filtering out food particles, and they have specialized collar cells that move water and collect and digest food. Next phylum is Cnidaria. In Cnidaria, the phylum Cnidaria includes jellyfish, coral, sea anemones and hydra. They have radial symmetry and do not have a body cavity. Cnidarians have differentiated cell that are organized into two layers of tissue and nerves that forms a network. Many cnidarians have specialized stinging cells to capture food or defend themselves. Stinging cells means जब कोई फूड माउथ के नियर आता है तो अटैक करते हैं अपलिफ्ट होकर और पिंच करके उस स्प्रे को इनसाइड कैविटी में ले लेते हैं और फिर वो वहाँ पे डाइजेस्ट होता है. नेक्स्ट फ्लैटवर्म, प्लानेरिया, tapeworm or flatworm. Flatworm, the zoological name of tapeworm, Taenia solium, and planaria, the planaria belongs to the phylum Platyhelminthes. Platy, plate. Helminths means worm. The flatworms including in this phylum. Flatworms are the simplest animals having bilateral symmetry. They have a sac-like gut but no body cavity. Planarians secrete digestive enzymes onto their food and suck the food particles through an organ called pharynx. They digest food in a gastrovascular cavity. Inside the cavity system, it's known as gastrovascular cavity, and it's a digenetic organism because the half life cycle produce inside the pea and half life cycle फाउंड इन ह्यूमन बॉडी। जो भी पिग के फ्लैश को खाते हैं वो उनकी बॉडी में ये इसकी लाइफ साइकिल कंप्लीट होती है। हाफ पार्ट उसमें होता है, पिग जो पर्सन पिग लेता है, और हाफ लाइफ साइकिल उसकी कंप्लीट होती है ह्यूमन बॉडी में। एंड राउंड वर्म नीमेटोडा आर एस्केलिमंथीज, एस्कैरिस इंक्लूडिंग एस्कैरिस means a round worm, common name of ascaris. Roundworm are a simplest animal with a complete gut and runs from mouth to anus. Annelids. In annelids, the annular means a ring-like structure, a special feature in annelids. It's a phylum belonging Annelida. And earthworm, whole body elongated and divided into 150 or 200 septa or chambers. And chambers, a special feature found in earthworm, the all chambers interconnected by the bowl-like structure inside, and this type of segmentation is known as metameric segmentation. Most important question: what is metameric segmentation for first year examination? And the all annelids have bodies that are divided into individual segments. Annelids have a bilateral symmetry and a true body cavity. And the muscular, two type of heart found in organisms. First neurogenic and second myogenic heart. In case of annelids, neurogenic heart found, but in case of human beings or advanced animals, myogenic or a muscular heart present inside the body. And brain less developed, nervous system very well developed, and the arteries and veins means it's a mediator organism of the circulatory system. Start the blood circulatory system at this site. And the mollusk, soft organisms including in mollusk, snails, clams and squids are all members of the phylum Mollusca. Mollusca have a bilateral symmetry and true body cavity. The body of a mollusk typically has a foot, gut and mantle and shell. Foot means soft, and gut inside the digestive tract, and mantle the outer layer, thick outer layer or a covering layer, and shell the calcium carbonate deposition on the safety point of view, then shelter inside the shell. And the mollusk, clams and their relatives have a simple nervous system with nerve cord and a few ganglion. Ganglia means a nodulated structure, and the branches of the nerves collect at this side. Octopi and their relatives have a more advanced nervous system. An octopus has a well developed brain and eye. Most mollusks have a sense of touch and taste. Arthropods, very largest phylum in animal kingdom. Arthropods, millions of insects produced in arthropods, and arthropods divided into 7 classes. And the arthropods includes insects, spider, crustaceans such as lobsters and crabs. Arthropods have segmented bodies, jointed limbs. Arthro means joint and pod means legs, limbs, jointed limbs, and the exoskeleton and well developed organ system. Exo and endoskeleton. Exoskeleton means outside the body hard scales, and the hard scales in arthropods are made up of chitin, and like annelids, arthropods bodies are segmented. Some segments for three distinct regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. And head containing antenna, and antenna, it's a sensitive organ. And the spiracles are a porous structure found in abdomen system, and abdomen divided into prothorax, metathorax, mesothorax, and metathorax, and three thorax part containing one pair of walking legs, means three pair of walking legs found in arthropods. Echinoderm, it's a last phylum of invertebrates. It's containing spiny skins like a starfish, sea urchins, and sea cucumber includes in this phylum. Echinoderms have a radial symmetry, a body cavity, an internal skeleton, and spiny skins. Echinoderms have a specialized water vascular system. Most important question, means the water vascular system inside a narrow hollow structure, and the water vascular system is a network of a fluid filled canal connected to hundreds of tiny tube feet, a cup like structure on the lower dorsal side of the animal, then stick on the rocky region or a substratum on the oceanic region. The water vascular system helps them move and capture food. And the like a ray chart, asymmetrical, no tissue, radial symmetrical with tissue, sponges and the cnidarians, and bilateral symmetry, flat worms, complete gut, roundworm, body cavity start through roundworm, and the radial symmetry in echinodermata, and the no segmentation in mollusk, segmented body in annelids, exoskeleton in arthropods, and joint limbs in arthropods, and the echinodermates converted into the chordates. Start the phylum chordate, and bilateral symmetry and backbones are present, or vertebra are present in advanced organisms. Vertebrates structure and functions. Humans and sea squirts are members of the chordata. All chordates have a structure called a notochord. A notochord, a backbone. A notochord is a flexible rod-shaped structure found in the embryos of all chordates. Characteristics of vertebrates. All vertebrates have a backbone and a skull. The backbone is a segmented column of interlocking bones called vertebrae, and all vertebrates have an internal skeleton for support, protection, and a place of muscle to be attached. The bones and muscles of vertebrates work together to provide a structural framework for movement. अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है टाइम. All vertebrates have body cavity that hold the organ system. The thoracic cavity holds the heart and the lungs of air breathing vertebrates. The abdominal cavity holds the digestive organs, including the stomach, intestine, and liver. Vertebrate organs are made of four types of tissues. An organ is a group of tissues that function together. Vertebrate organs are made of four types of tissues: nervous, epithelial, connective, and muscles. Fish in chordates species, the phylum including fish. Fish is exothermic aquatic vertebrates with fins, gills, and a streamlined body. They were the first vertebrates and evolved about 500 million years ago. There are three classes of fish living today: jawless fish, cartilaginous fish, and bony fish. Fish, the eye and gills covered inside the upperculum. Gills cover is known as upperculum, and the upperculum, inside the upperculum, gills are ring-like structure, 7 or 5 ring-like structure. It take part in respiration. And fins, pectoral and pelvic fins, 2 pair of fins, and scales, 2 type of scales: exoscales and endoscales. Means in case of Scoliodon, it's a stricthes and chondrichthyes on the basis of scales, divided into 2 parts, like some fishes containing cartilaginous or placoid scales in case of Scoliodon, and some bony fishes, it's a Labiorohita. And amphibians ectothermic, means poikilothermic organisms. And smooth skin vertebrates such as frog and salamanders that usually hatch as the aquatic larva with gills. The tadpole of the amphibians, it's a amniotic organism, and the adult frog is a eurycotylic organism. On the excretory system, means excretory product, the aquatic organisms release ammonia inside the water, and the terrestrial organisms mostly release the uric acid or urea. Uric acid released through the bird's body, and the eurycotylic organisms, and some ureotylic organism. Lizards including eurycotylic. And the next bird means apes. The birds are endothermic egg-laying vertebrate, and 4 limbs modified to form a wing. They have many adaptation for flight, such as feathers, wings, hollow bones, and air sacs. Hollow bones, most important question. Pneumatic bones found in birds, because it's lightweight and fly in the sky. And last phylum is mammals. Mammals are endothermic vertebrates. Endothermic means warm blooded organisms, गर्म खून वाले. And endothermic vertebrates that have mammary glands. Mammary glands are organisms that produce nutritious fluid called milk. Mammals evolved from a now extinct group of reptiles called Therapsida, and earliest true mammals appeared over 200 million years ago. That's it.